Welcome to Best Wall, your trusted home for world-class interior inspiration and the latest design trends from around the globe. In today's video, we proudly present Top 100 New Modular Kitchen Designs 2025 Modern Kitchen Remodeling Ideas. Whether you're planning a complete renovation, building a new home, or simply searching for transformative ideas, this collection will open your eyes to what a truly modern kitchen can become. Asterisk, the kitchen has always been known as the heart of the home, but in 2025, it evolves far beyond that. It becomes a smart workspace, a social hub, and a reflection of personal taste and lifestyle. And what you are about to see is not just design, it is innovation, creativity, and the sparkling potential of what your kitchen could be if every detail were crafted with excellence. Asterisk, as we explore these inspirations, you'll quickly realize that each of these designs is a diamond-level idea, one that could elevate your home into something extraordinary if executed the right way. Asterisk, in 2025, modular kitchens embrace a blend of practicality, technology, elegance, and futuristic precision. You'll notice that the designs featured in this video highlight several powerful trends. Let's dive deeper into the ideas behind them, so you can understand what makes these kitchens stand out. Asterisk, one of the strongest movements this year is the concept of ultra-functional layouts. Designers now focus heavily on workflow efficiency, smart placement of the stove, sink, and fridge, optimized counter heights, and custom cabinetry that supports effortless daily routines. Every inch is planned with intention. You will see kitchens where drawers glide smoothly with soft close technology, where hidden compartments maximize space, and where multifunctional islands become the centerpiece for cooking, working, and socializing. Asterisk, another signature element of 2025 modular kitchens is the increasing emphasis on clean, minimalist aesthetics. Sleek lines, handleless cabinets, and seamless surfaces create a refined, clutter-free environment. These designs prove that simplicity can be incredibly luxurious when executed with high-quality materials. Matte finishes are particularly popular this year, offering a sophisticated alternative to glossy surfaces. Combined with soft lighting, matte cabinetry can transform a kitchen into a warm, modern sanctuary. Asterisk. You'll also discover bold material combinations in this collection. Stone countertops paired with timber accents, stainless steel with warm neutrals, marble backsplashes with metallic trims. 2025 celebrates contrast and character. Homeowners and designers are no longer afraid to blend textures, colors, and patterns. This dynamic layering creates kitchens that feel unique, stylish, and full of personality. Asterisk, lighting plays an essential role in modular kitchen design this year. Expect to see LED strips integrated into shelves, under cabinets, and around kitchen islands, creating a dramatic and ambient glow. Designers now treat lighting as both a functional tool and an artistic feature. Soft illumination helps define the space, highlight architectural details, and enhance the overall cooking experience. Asterisk, another trend shaping 2025 modular kitchens is smart technology integration. Touch-enabled appliances, automated drawers, motion sensor lighting, and connected devices are becoming everyday essentials. Some designs even include smart faucets that control water flow with precision, voice-controlled appliances, and digital cooking assistants that blend seamlessly into the layout. These innovations make the kitchen more efficient, more intuitive, and more enjoyable to use. Asterisk, in terms of color palettes, you'll see a beautiful mix of timeless and modern choices. Neutrals such as ivory, sand, ash gray, and matte black continue to dominate minimalist designs. But bold colors are also making a comeback. Deep blues, forest greens, and burgundy tones appear in several of the kitchens featured, creating a rich and dramatic statement. These bold shades look stunning when paired with gold or brass hardware, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. Asterisk. One of the most attractive ideas in 2025 kitchen remodeling is the rise of open-concept layouts. Many homeowners prefer kitchens that blend harmoniously with the dining and living areas, creating a seamless flow throughout the home. This design approach makes small spaces feel larger and allows every member of the household to interact freely. In the designs showcased today, you'll notice how open layouts create a warm and welcoming environment, perfect for families and guests alike. Asterisk, another feature gaining popularity is the multi-purpose kitchen island. Islands are no longer just prep surfaces. They now function as breakfast bars, wine stations, creative display areas, or even miniature workspaces. Many designs integrate sink systems, built-in stovetops, or under-counter storage to maximize function. A beautifully designed island can become the centerpiece that transforms the entire kitchen into a luxurious, Modern space * storage innovation is also at its peak in 2025. Designers now focus on hidden solution stall, pantry units, sliding mechanisms, modular shelves, and flexible drawer organizers that make every item easy to reach. These ideas help maintain the clean, minimalist look while enhancing convenience. No more clutter, no more wasted space, just smart, thoughtful storage that adapts to your lifestyle. Environmental consciousness is another key influence in modern kitchen design. You'll notice sustainable materials, energy-efficient appliances, and eco-friendly finishes throughout many of the designs. This shift not only reduces environmental impact but also creates a healthier, more durable kitchen environment. As you watch through the top 100 designs featured in this video, take note of the small details: lighting placement, cabinet finishes, countertop textures, backsplash patterns, and color harmony. These subtle choices can completely transform an ordinary kitchen into a luxurious one. With the right planning and vision, each of these ideas becomes a shining example of how thoughtful design can elevate your home. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey through the top 100 new modular kitchen designs of 2025. We hope these ideas help spark your imagination and guide you toward designing the kitchen of your dreams. Each concept featured here is a powerful reminder that with the right creativity and thoughtful planning, your kitchen can become a masterpiece, a truly brilliant idea that enhances not just the look of your home, but the way you live every day. If you enjoyed this video and want more interior design inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to Best Wall, like this video, and share it with others who love home design as much as you do. More stunning design collections are coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching Best Wall, where beautiful ideas find their home.